I will be showing you how this Naira platform works. When you look at my dashboard, you can actually see I have over 12,300 Naira and I also have 4,000 Naira. Now before I go ahead showing you how this particular platform works, I'm going ahead to withdraw the 4,000 Naira right on my account. Now before I proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're seeing my face for the first time, this is Cash Value, and what we do on this platform is that I come out right here to share my experience on new platforms that actually can generate us some income every single day. Now in exchange, all I ask from you is to please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. But first of all, know that you need to set up an account right on this platform. But right now, I'm going to skip that part of registration right in this video because I already know you know how to set up an account on platforms like this. Now I'm going ahead to go over to the withdraw button just to withdraw the 4,000 Naira which I have on my account, and I'm going to show you what you also need to do to also get some income using this platform. Actually see where we have the recharge and the withdraw, so I'm going ahead to click on withdraw and it's going to bring me over to this interface right here. Now to add your bank details, you can actually see that this is actually automatic. Now you can actually see under account number they said enter your bank name and account number. Now what you're going to do right now, mine is OPay, account name is OPay, then you can just put a comma on this, then you enter your account number. Okay, now I'm going to add my name right here. You can actually see what I actually did, because if you actually insert only your account number without inserting the bank name, your withdrawals will be rejected. So what you're going to do right now is to click on submit. So once you click on submit, you can actually see that it has been binded successfully. Right now I've actually binded my account details to this platform. You can actually see that my balance is 4,000 Naira. But before going ahead to place a withdrawal, let me come right here. You can actually see the package right on this platform. We have a solar package 1, we have a solar package 2, we have a solar package 3, and we have a solar package 4, 5, and we have a solar package down to solar package 8. Now what I have on my account is 12,300 Naira. Now when you sign into this platform, you're going to be given 300 Naira as a welcome bonus. Because of I have 300 Naira on my account, I've already funded my account with 12,000 Naira. Now when you come right here, I'm going to look for the package of 12,000 Naira right here. So right now you can actually see that this is a package of 12,000 Naira. That is, after unlocking this particular package, I'll be getting a daily profit of 4,005 Naira on my account, and in total of 50 days you can actually see the total amount I'll be getting on my account. So what I'm going to do is to click on buy package, and once I click on buy package, you can actually see that it brought me to this page where it's actually displaying all the details you need to see about this package. You can actually see the VIP price is 12,000 and the expiration date is 50 days and total profit of 200,000 plus. So what I'm going to do is to come right here and click on buy now. Okay, so you can see that product buy successfully. So I've successfully purchased this product. So when you go back to my account right now, I am currently on that particular package. You can actually see that my account is having only 300 Naira as the welcome bonus. Now let me go ahead to place a withdrawal on my account so you can see the withdrawal proof from this platform. Now to place withdrawal on your account, you just have to come over to the first withdrawal button right here, click on withdraw, and you are going to be brought into this interface. Now we are going to enter the actual amount we want to withdraw, which is the 4,000 Naira I have on my account. Now when you want to place withdrawal, you can also go through this notice instruction that says minimum withdrawal is from 1,000 Naira. Please make sure you added your bank details correctly. After you place withdrawal, kindly wait for at least 5 minutes to be credited into your account. Please do not share your login details to anyone. Now the withdrawal time are from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. So what I'm going to do right now is to come right here and submit withdrawal. As you can see, withdrawal are sent successfully, and I'll be showing the withdrawal proof from this platform right now. So right now you already know what to do on this platform. To recharge your account, you can just come right to recharge. Before you can start anything, you just need to fund your account with the actual amount you want to use to get your solar product. Okay, so right now we have the minimum amount of 1,500 Naira, we have the minimum amount of 4,000 Naira, we have the minimum amount of 8,000 Naira, 12,000 Naira, and 20,000 Naira, and the likes of any. If you have actually chosen any of these, you just have to click on that, and once you click on that, you're just going to click on submit recharge. Okay, or you can better still come right here and input the amount you want to recharge. and come right here and click on submit recharge, and it's going to take you over to the next page where you just have to copy this account number and transfer the exact fund you have actually chosen. Then once that is done, you just have to come right here and enter your bank name and also submit a proof of the receipt that you've made this payment and click on submit recharge. Okay, so automatically this will be added right on your account. Now before making a recharge on your account, you can actually see that what recharge methods are supported. Please make sure you recharge through the website use company account. How long does this take for recharge to arrive? Once you recharge your account, credit before 5 minutes and minimum deposit is 1,500 naira. Please contact the official customer care, that is if you have issues on your account. So that is what you need to know about this platform. Okay, so right now what you just have to do is to use the link on the pinned comment section, set up an account for yourself and start using this platform as a source of income for yourself every single day. And so right here guys, we have the credited amount from this platform, which is 3,600 naira. Now charges was taken from this transaction. Now all our advice to do is to jump into this right now, use the link on the pinned comment section, set up an account for yourself and start getting some income using this Naira platform. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the post notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.